And then we're gonna do the fusioning. We're gonna do the white fusioning. Okay, where we're at. Hey, pay attention then. That's okay. Bougie nails. Okay, ready? So we are going to pick up some white fusioning. You see how easy and beautiful it is? You don't even have to do much with this at all. And you can add it more as you needed it. I just get a little bit. I just want just a little bit because I'm going to put the crystal placement on. Just think about which one you want to see, okay? So then we can do that. And then that's all you need. And with this, it's already so beautiful. And then you just need to add just a little bit of the crystal clear. Just get a piece of paper here, and then we're gonna using just a little bit, not too much. Pull some veins out. You're using it, if you're using it flooded too much of your crystal clear, it might going to destroy your veining. So we're gonna use just a little bit. And then when you're doing a marbling nails design, there's no right way or the wrong way to do. You create your own is a masterpiece. So if you are going to get a lot of veinings, because the marbling, if you're seeing the marbles, like a natural marbling is never being like identicals. So if you want more veining, you do so. If you want to do less veining, absolutely. You can, you enjoying it. Okay. And I would pick up just a little bit of the crystal clear. You don't want to use too much and flooded it, because it's going to like destroy so entire the looks of it. All right, it looks so beautiful, and I'm gonna stop right there. Just enough. Okay.